IPR Music. Yeah. Little G Bounce and Lemon T. Haha. Brup. Play this game, you gotta be run through. It's not Domino's Cracking 2. I be a funky to a junkie, cause the rhyme is dope. I use a microphone where like a cover rope, so I can lose all the rapper than take a rope. And the microphone is my horoscope, magnificent and excellent cause I'm a scrub. Ha ha ha, this is Lemoltia. Yeah, PR Music. Kabalo, kabalat sa dinaga nga, hindi mo na malaman mo, sige sugatan na. Saka ka ba matira, saka masulido pa. Mga tinaga nga, hindi mo na mapunggan, di mo pa malamon, tapos mahabal ka pa sa to play this game, you gotta be a rap pro. It's not a dominus or tic-tac-toe, it's the runtime game, a challenge to the brain. Strategy is the key to unlock the chain. My lips to do na chin when I start to rap project. My verse to love, tons of flat, excellence depends on the photograph is digital, well it's a color than sharp. Brr. Yeah, my body is up level, girl says I'm a likable. Kabalo, kabala, Daffy Ducks, my spegable. Says to similar to flop like credible. Hindi ko mabato ni taste natin didiball. I'm gang dumang mock champ, kaya wet on the set. Kabalo ko na tanan from the US town. Yeah, Pilipino ko galing. Kabalo ka mo na evil, never jump and rock. In my rap, I'm a like other like a jolly dangerous seconds to do the things seamless like yeah. I can rap really and spit it like a flyer. I'm a friend IPR, I can box do karate or even judo. Rap is Spanish but I mean don't like it, so as and classify my raps. This is IPR, hustler will terrify. It's my ramen time off. Haha.